Hello.
Hello,
What's your name?
my name is Mindang.
Ming Dang. Okay, how old are you?
I'm 8 years old.
You're 8. Do you have English name? No. Okay, where do you live? Do you live in Hanoi, Ho Chi Minh, Thái Nguyên, Haiphong,
Ho Chi Minh,
Ho Chi Minh? Where is your school? Okay, I'm asking about your school because today we will talk about the evil teacher. Do you know who is the evil teacher?
yes,
Yes, who is the evil teacher?
Tony,
Tony. Okay, so we have the girl cries. These other students are so scared. Okay, did the boy cry after Tony hits her on the head?
no,
No. Did the daughter cry after Tony hits her on the head?
no,
Did the teacher cry?
no,
Did the girl cry?
yes,
Who cries after Tony hits her on the head? Who?
the,
The
the girl,
the girl. Okay. Did the girl dance after Tony hits her on the head? Did the girl dance?
no,
No. Did the girl play?
no,
Did the girl sing?
no,
What did the girl did the girl cry?
yes,
What did the girl do after Tony hits her on the head? She
he cries,
she cried. Okay. Are the other students happy after Tony hit the girl on the head?
no,
Are the students sad?
no,
Are the students hungry?
no,
Are the students scared?
yes,
Okay, what does the other students feel after Tony hit the girl on the head? They are
fair,
scared. Okay, so that's all, Mingdang.